Welcome back, dear students, to Standard 6th subject Mathematics, chapter number 13, Profit and Loss, Module 2, myself, Miss Komal Narutte. Dear students, let's do quick revision of our previous session. In previous session, we have seen what is profit. So, the amount gained by selling a product with more than its cost price is called a profit. Then we have seen loss. The amount the seller incurs after selling the product less than its cost price is mentioned as a loss. Then we have seen selling price. The amount for which the product is sold is called selling price. Then we have seen cost price. The amount paid for a product or the commodity to purchase it is called a cost price. Market price. This is basically labeled by shopkeeper to offer a discount to the customers. Then we have seen profit and loss formulas. If the selling price is less than the cost price, there is a loss. So loss, that is equal to cost price minus selling price. Then if the selling price is more than the cost price, there is a profit. So profit, that is equal to selling price minus cost price. Let's learn about the cost price. In trading, all the expenses incurred on an article before it can be sold have to be added to the cost price of the article. That is called the total cost price of the article. Students, now we will discuss practice set 32. Question number 1. From a wholesaler, Santosh bought 400 eggs for rupees 1500 and spent rupees 300 on the transport. 50 eggs fell down and broke. He sold the rest at rupees 5 each. Did he make a profit or a loss? How much? So let's find out that. Here, the cost price of 400 egg, that is equal to rupees 1500, and the transportation cost, that is equal to rupees 300. The total cost price of 400 eggs, that is equal to cost price of 400 eggs plus transportation cost. So cost price of 400 egg, that is 1500, plus transportation cost, that is 300. So 1500 plus 300, you will get 1800. From that, 50 eggs fell down and broke. So the remaining eggs, that is equal to 400 minus 50. So that is equal to 350. So the selling price of one egg, that is equal to rupees 5. So the selling price of 350 eggs, that is equal to 5 multiplied by 350, that is equal to rupees 1750. So the total cost price is greater than the selling price. Therefore, Santosh suffered a loss. So loss, that is equal to total cost price minus selling price. The total cost price, that is 1800, minus selling price, that is 1750. So when you subtract, you will get rupees 50. So Santosh incurred a loss of rupees 50. Question number 2. Abraham bought goods worth rupees 50,000 and spent rupees 7,000 on transport and octroi. If he sold the goods for rupees 65,000, did he make a profit or a loss? How much? Let's find out. So, here the cost price of goods that is equal to rupees 50,000 and transportation cost of an octroi that is equal to rupees 7,000. So, total cost price for buying goods that is equal to cost price of goods plus transportation cost and octroi. So, cost price that is 50,000 plus transportation and octroi cost that is 7,000. So, when you add, you will get 57,000. So, the selling price of goods that is equal to rupees 65,000. So, the selling price is greater than the total cost price. Therefore, Abraham had made a profit. So, profit that is equal to selling price minus total cost price. Selling price is 65,000 and total cost price is 57,000. So, 65,000 minus 57,000, you will get 8,000. So Abraham made a profit of rupees 8,000. Question number 3. Ajit Kaur bought a 50 kg sack of sugar for rupees 1,750. But as the sugar price fell, she had to sell it at rupees 32 per kg. How much loss did she incur? So let's find out this. Now here, the cost price of 50 kg of sugar, that is rupees 1,750, and the selling price of 1 kg sugar, that is equal to rupees 32. So the selling price of 50 kg sugar, that is equal to 50 multiplied by 32, you will get rupees 1,600. So loss that is equal to total cost price minus the selling price. So total cost price, that is 1,750 minus selling price, that is 1,600. So 1,750 minus 1,600, that is equal to rupees 150. So Ajit Kaur incurred a loss of rupees 150. Question number 4. Kusumtai bought 80 cookers at rupees 700 each. Transport cost her rupees 1,280. If she wants a profit of rupees 18,000, what should be the selling price per cooker? So let's find out. So cost price of one cooker rupees 700. And the cost price of 80 cookers, that is 700 multiplied by 80, that is 56,000. So, and the transportation cost, that is rupees 1,280. Total cost price, that is equal to cost price of 80 cookers plus transportation cost. So cost price of 80 cookers, that is 56,000 plus transportation cost, that is 1,280. So when you add this, you will get 57,280, and the profit of rupees 18,000 she wants. So profit that is equal to selling price minus total cost price. So required selling price, that is equal to total cost price plus profit. So total cost price, that is 57,280, and plus profit, that is 18,000. So when you add, you will get rupees 75,280. So the selling price of 80 cookers, that is equal to rupees 75,280. Therefore, the selling price of one cooker, that is equal to 75,280 divided by 80. So when you divide, you will get rupees 941. So the selling price per cooker should be rupees 941. Question number 5. Indrajit bought 10 refrigerators at rupees 12,000 each and spent rupees 5,000 on transport. For how much should he sell each refrigerator in order to make a profit of rupees 20,000? So let's find out. So here the cost price of one refrigerator, that is rupees 12,000. Then the cost price of 10 refrigerator, that is equal to 10 multiplied by 12,000. So here you will get 1,20,000. Then the transportation cost of rupees 5,000 was there. Total cost price of 10 refrigerator, that is equal to cost price of 10 refrigerator plus transportation cost. So cost price of 10 refrigerator, that is 1,20,000, and transportation cost, that is 5,000. So 1,20,000 plus 5,000, you will get 1,25,000. So the profit that we want, that is 20,000. So the profit, that is equal to selling price minus total cost price. So required selling price, that is equal to total cost price plus profit. So 1,25,000 plus 20,000, that is equal to 1,45,000. So the selling price of the 10 refrigerator, that is equal to rupees 1,45,000. So the selling price of one refrigerator, that is equal to 1,45,000 upon 10. So that is equal to 14,500 rupees. So Indrajit must sell each refrigerator at rupees 14,500 to make a profit of rupees 20,000. Question number 6. Lalitabai sold seeds worth rupees 13,700 in her field. She had to spend rupees 5,300 on fertilizers and the spraying pesticides and rupees 7,160 on labors. If on selling her produce she earned rupees 35,400, what was her profit or her loss? So let's find out. So here the cost price of the seeds, that is rupees 13,700, cost of the fertilizer and the pesticides, that is rupees 5,300, and labor cost, that is rupees 7,160. So the total cross price, that is equal to cost price of seeds plus cost price of fertilizer and pesticides plus labor cost. So cost price of seed, that is 13,700, cost price of fertilizer and pesticide, that is 5,300, and labor cost, that is 7,160. So altogether we will add this. So 13,700 plus 5,300 plus 7,160. When you add this, you will get 26,160. So the selling price, that is equal to 35,400. So here you can see the selling price is greater than the total cost price. Therefore, Lalitabai made a profit. So profit, that is equal to selling price minus cost price. The selling price, that is 35,400, and total cost price, that is 26,160. So when you subtract this, you will get 9,240. So Lalita Bai made a profit of rupees 9,240. Students, here we completed with module 2. Thank you, dear students.